Hello and welcome to Divine Grace with you. This is Asuthos. We had been in the time where there is the global turmoil, so much of chaos across the globe. The Ukraine Russia war. Here we have the Iran, US, Israel war in place. So there is so much of prices been floating high in all of the areas. Now on this purpose of the my video which I have here is a enumeration in a calculation on the grahas, tithi and the nakshatras over a period of a year time, where the investments which could be reasonably fruitful for a long run period, and I could able to gaze in the planetary transit movement at place, taking into consideration the very first is the Guru transit which happens in the June 2nd. Second is on the Saturn, which has been currently disposited in the house of Pisces. The third is primarily the Rahu transit, and the very fourth and last, that is on the Mars, which is currently in Pisces, would be soon moving into Aries on the 11th of the May. Now this timeline is reasonably something which I have taken in my calculation to give a roughly 1 year, that is from 1st of May till 31st 30th I would say of April. So this part of time which on the calculation I see reasonably three things which would be measurably would be giving you the kind of boost in your investment. The very first is the precious metal, that is gold, because the transit of Brihaspati will genuinely boost the inflow, and this investment would be one of the most in my set of calculation. Keeping the movement which will be going to Leo from Cancer and from back to Cancer again. So the period of 1 year is marvelous. Going on with the same, the second commodity which I feel another precious metal is copper. Copper is going to shine high. This is absolutely a big notch to be invested upon. The third thing which I would say primarily, as I stated, basis of all the four grahas as I stated, is something the stocks which are presumably with the infrastructure, commodities, and primarily the digital and technology services. So commodities, infrastructure services, digital and technology services are the four platform stocks reasonably that you can choose of your own, but this particular four this period of time 1st of May till 30th of April 2027. 1st of May 2026 to April 30th 2027. Now the last thing which I would state is the best in the mundane level, which I would say the planetary transit people, individuals, those who are doing this part of time primarily with Guru Dasha, and there will be a reasonably transit of Mars as Antardasa Guru Mars, or it would be like Guru Rahu Antardasa. This should be the kind of combination which I see only for this part of time. That would be giving your precious efforts in the investment to sweet success. the no in the mundane level again, the no very genuinely the planetary transit. However, it is just a planetary transit, I would say. It is the yeah primarily the Taurasian ascendant as well as Scorpio ascendant should be doing good. Okay, as this part of investment, yeah, this wealth perspective is taken into consideration, I would say these two should be likely doing very good. I hope you like my video. Okay, I would love to see your comments. If it is, please like, share and subscribe. I would love to delve more into what could be the price of the crude oil and what more, yeah, in the terms of silver. Okay, there had been this question. I will take it up in the next. Cheers, take care.